Welcome to Appointy Tutorials. In this video, we're going to talk about the Marketing tab. On this tab, you can create gift certificates, discount coupons, and offers and give it to your customers. We're going to start with offers. Now, offers basically mean that instead of giving them a cash value for their appointment or as a loyalty bonus, we are providing them an add-on service. Now, this could mean that they get a free welcome drink. This could also mean that they get free delivery or anything else which is not going to affect the cost of the service, unlike discount coupons and gift certificates that are directly affecting the cost of the service. To create an offer, you can click on the offer sign on the top right corner. Then you can create the offer by typing in the offer title. That would be the name of the offer. So I am going to type welcome drink, and then you can edit the terms and conditions. You can also edit the offer coupon code by clicking on that. As soon as you click on that, you would get a new box over here where you can edit and retype any custom code. So I'm gonna say drink 1, then click on create. Now before I create, you can also edit the terms and conditions. So you can say, okay, this offer works if the customer has booked any appointment which is more than this dollar amount. You can also choose the services that it is linked to. You can choose a start date and an end date. So you can put a validity on this offer. You can also select the box which says valid for new customers, valid for one-time use only, and you can also give it as a limited offer for the first 10, 100, 200 bookings. In addition to that, we also have advanced settings where you can link it to certain staff members. You can select a time, you can select a day, and you can also mention a description. Once you've filled out all of these, you can then click on create and your offer would be created. Now, once you've created the offer, and the same goes for discount coupons, you would either need to send these in an email to your customers, or you can link it to your Facebook page. Unfortunately, the discount coupons and the offers are not customizable, so if you've made any mistakes, you would need to delete the coupon and then start afresh. Now let's go to discount coupons. Now, most of the stuff on the discount coupon is exactly the same as the offer. The only thing that changes is that you can either give the customer a certain percentage off or a certain dollar amount off. So you can say, okay, 15% off, right? Or you can say $15 off. Now the terms and conditions are exactly the same. You can have a limit where it works over, link it to certain services, valid for new customer, fast bookings. Then the advanced settings are the same. In addition to this, you can again change the code, and once you have created the gift certificate, again you would need to share this either on your Facebook, or you would need to send this code out to your customers by email or SMS or newsletters or anything else. Right. In addition to this, both the offer tab and the discount tab has filters. So let's say, for example, you have multiple discount coupons. You want to see all of them. You want to see the ones that are active, the ones that are inactive, the ones that have expired. So these are the three filters you have. If you have a large list and you don't need to, or you don't want to scroll all the way down to find a certain gift certificate, you can copy and paste this code and search for it as well. So that's how the offers and the discount coupon works. The next one is gift certificates. To design a gift certificate, you would need to click on the design button, which is right in the center of the screen. By default, we have some stock images that you can add to the gift certificate. Now, the gift certificates can be sold from the customer interface, as well as the administrator can email them to people. So if somebody walks into the store and purchases a gift certificate or a package, you can email the code to him. Each code for each gift certificate is unique, and they are not customizable. The gift certificates themselves are pretty customizable. So we're going to start off with let's choose happy work anniversary. Now let's say, for example, you want to put in an image that is relevant to your business, like your business logo or some image that you already have as a gift certificate. You can use that as well. All you would need to do is paste the link for that image where it says the custom URL. Now the catch over here is that you would need to save that image online. So it could either be saved on any of the websites where you can upload images, or you can save it on your Google Drive, and what happens is that Google then creates a link for each of those images. So I already have a link. Now when you copy the link, make sure that once the link is there, you end it with .jpeg, and then you click the plus sign. Right, so once you've done that, there we go. Okay, so I'm going to remove the other two images that I have selected. Now you have only one image. Now once the image has been uploaded, now you can have multiple images, as you can see. Let me remove this. The next step would be to click on next. Now with the gift certificate, or the way the gift certificates work, is that there is a selling price and then there is a value of that gift certificate. Now the reason why we have that is because you can give additional value to the customers who are purchasing the gift certificates. So say, for example, you're selling a gift certificate, the value of which is $100, and then the selling price is $100 and then the value is $150, which means by purchasing this gift certificate, the customer is getting $50 more. So it's like a benefit and works as an incentive for the customers to purchase this. Now again, we have different settings, so you can choose the redemption validity. So you can say, okay, once the gift certificate is purchased, it should be redeemed within the next 30 days. Now this is from the date of purchase onwards. The same is after a fixed date. Now in this, what happens is, irrespective of where or when the customer is purchasing the gift certificate, you set an end date. So by setting it to October 31st, what I'm doing here is that anybody who purchases a gift certificate, even if they have balance on the gift certificate, after the 31st of October, they would not be able to redeem or use that gift certificate. Now you can also have a number of gift certificates for sale. So let's say you want to sell 10 gift certificates. Then you can also open the purchase window. So what this would do is, when can they purchase this gift certificate, you can have that. Once you have set all of these settings, you click on save, and you would get a message at the top which says inserted successfully. That means that you have a gift certificate. And if you notice, the design button has changed to sell. So let's click on it. Now this is the administrative interface, so this is how you would see it, but for the customers there would be a different tab which would say gift certificates. Now those are customizable. We can customize it. That's something that we can do. So instead of saying gift certificates, we can say packages. So if you're selling packages and you don't want the word gift certificate mentioned over there, or you want it to say gift card, you can edit that. So you can, what you would have to do is you would have to tell us and we would edit that for you. Now I can deactivate this, and I can delete this. I can also edit the gift certificate. So if I want to make any changes to the value, to the fixed date, other features, I can do that. Also, if you have different variations of the same gift certificate, you can click on the plus sign and you can have another one that's for $200, the value of which is $300, so on and so forth. And then once you've made the changes, just click on update. So now when you click on the gift certificate to sell it, let me show that to you again. To sell the gift certificate, you click on the sell button and you click on the gift certificate itself. Once you do that, you can then choose which gift certificate you want to send to the customer, and it'll ask you the recipient's name, email address, your name, and a message if you want to put it over there. Now once you have sent it, let me send it to myself. I'm going to say test. Now I've sent it to myself, and this is how you would see it. You have the edit button, print, you can send an email, you can check the history, you can sell the same gift certificate, and you can post it on Facebook. Now here is where you see the code. Now this code is now with the customer in their email, so they can use the same code when booking an appointment. And you can also see the gift certificate over here. So you can see the code, you can see the purchased date, purchased by, for, purchased at. Now the reason why it says at desk is because as the administrator, I sent it to the customer. The customer did not go to the customer interface and buy it for himself online. Right, so he paid $100, the balance is $150, status outstanding, expires on 31st of October. Now whenever the customer books an appointment, he would use the gift certificate, or he can use the gift certificate, and the balance would reduce. Now let's say for example the same customer comes on the 31st of October, and let's say for example you have an extension running where you can extend the gift certificate validity and the value. So to do that, what you would need to do is click on the code, click on edit. Now you have the same gift certificate. Now to add the amount, you would say $200, and then you can change the date. So you can say, okay, it's not going to expire on October, this gift certificate is going to expire on the 30th of November. Now you click on save. Now the new balance comes up as $200. Again, you can use filters to show all records, purchased from, and the status. Now again, in this scenario with the gift certificate, you cannot delete it, but you can make it void. So what this basically does is you would be disabling the gift certificate itself. Now for that, you would need to scroll down, and at the bottom you would see the message which says mark as void. So you still want to invalidate that? Yes. Now the status is void. So even if the customer has this code, they would not be able to redeem the gift certificate. And you can create again as many offers, as many discount coupons, as many gift certificates as you like. So that's pretty much it about the marketing tab. See you next time.